Good afternoon from Animal Kingdom Lodge. We just spent the morning, really the whole day at Hollywood Studios, which that part we didn't vlog today. We were with our friends. We woke up early and we had boarding group number 1 for Rise of the Resistance. So we jumped right over to Hollywood Studios and now we're checking into Animal Kingdom. Woo! The sun is starting to come out. It just rained, so the lighting's a little funky. It's got like Hawaiian Christmas music. No, I think this is just not Hawaiian. African. Oh my God, African. There's like African music playing. I'm so excited. So this we ended up renting just from a DVC member. She wasn't able to come, so we rented the points just from a DVC member that we met online. So we're staying here for very cheap and I'm so thrilled. Let's go check in and let's go see what kind of room we get. Are you excited, Mike?
Very excited. This is one of the best hotels at Walt Disney World, according to many people. That's
what I've heard. I'm pumped, and I'm super pumped to go get some zebra domes too.
Ooh, zebra domes.
Yeah, okay, let's go. We just checked in and we're staying in a DVC studio. It does not have a Savannah view, it's just a regular view, standard of the parking lot. So not the best view, but if you go outside in the hallway, there's a bunch of windows where you can go see the wildlife. So
yeah,
still a win.
They're right outside your door.
And this room, so now that we were in Old Key West last time and now we're coming into a regular standard room, I can see how Old Key West is like the largest rooms on property.
Yeah.
But let's go take a room tour of our studio.
Welcome to our crib.
Welcome to our crib. Now you're gonna have to say that in every room tour video. Hey, if you do it in 3, you gotta do it in all of them.
It's a requirement.
We just came in and there's this little entry area. You can stash your luggage over here. And it looks like it can connect over to the other rooms, of course, to be larger. Here's a nice little full-length mirror. Hello, here's us.
Oh, mirror.
Hello, fancy, fancy. To the left, we have a bathroom.
2 sinks.
2 double sinks and a tub. Ooh, look at this, these like bright colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like Disney's bulk.
Oh yeah, it looks like the bulk. Shampoo stuff again. And then this is all the separate area. But there is lotion, so, but no shampoo or conditioner. Obviously you gotta collect like all these, right? So,
gotta catch them all.
Gotta catch them all. Disney products. Across the way from the, oh my goodness, I just saw the little Simba. Across the way from the bathroom, there is this kitchen.
So you got
or kitchen area.
A refrigerator, toaster.
Yeah, all your
coffee pot, coffee accoutrement.
Yeah.
Somewhere. Roll of paper towels.
Nice. Perfect, because some of us are very messy. It's me.
Trash cans.
Oh, double trash can, nice.
Fire extinguisher.
Let's take a look and see how big this fridge is.
Doesn't have the egg carrier that
oh yeah.
West had. But
no.
Still, you could put a whole 6-pack.
And no freezer.
No freezer.
But it is a very nice size mini fridge, so
yeah.
Really that's what most people need anyway, probably. But freaking look at these decals. Look at that Simba. And then that elephant looks a little sad to me.
Probably because there's a lion next to it. Lions.
Okay, that's fair, that's fair. And here is a look at our room. Our standard studio deluxe. Deluxe studio, dang it, I always say it backwards. Also, resort TV's not on again.
Yeah, turn it on ourselves. Oh, there's a nice safe.
There's a safe up here. An iron and a hairdryer.
Oh, that's new.
Extra blanket.
There's a little safety tag on the extra pillow and blanket, so if you break it, they know to clean it and refresh it.
They had that at Old Key West, I just took it off before you saw it.
Well, welcome to 2020, where knowing if your pillow and blanket is clean
yeah, it's
top priority.
So we didn't get to show that before, so it says sealed, and then you know that it's safe and sanitized. And the safe, and tons of hangers. That's actually a lot of hangers. Here is this dresser with a lot of space. what's happening down here? Oh, it's just kind of like another little cubby. Nice.
Big space. That's definitely where I would put dirty laundry if I was staying here for a long time.
Yeah, like a bin. This is a very large television.
Got USB ports and power plugs.
Perfect.
2 and 2. We also got that on the nightstand.
For all of our
Big
charging needs.
Samsung TV.
Oh, yes.
Couch, which I assume is
Here's
a
some
pull-out.
more. And our clean remote.
Yeah, definitely a pull-out couch.
Yeah.
So you
Makes
can definitely
sense.
sleep 4 people in here. Easy.
Comfortably.
Especially if those 2 parents, 2 kids.
Yeah.
Phone.
Yeah. You gotta do a couch comfortable test.
Oh.
See how comfy the couch is.
Is the couch comfy?
Is it comfy? That's the prime.
That's what the people want
What?
to know.
What do you think?
It is comfy. It is more comfortable than our couch at home.
Oh, well, there you go. We live here now.
Moving in.
Here is the bed.
That's what I'm gonna do if I win the lottery. Just stay at DVC Resorts every day.
All the time. Yeah, for sure. Let's go check out the parking lot.
This is our balcony. And these are trees.
These are trees. And here in the wildlife, we have spotted the vehicles.
Very common in Florida, so I understand.
I wonder if we can, if there's an entrance like right down here, and I wonder if we can like park here. Oh, this all looks like maybe handicap parking though.
But the
Here's
nice thing about it, you know, you got a couple tables, or a couple chairs and a table. Like,
Yeah.
you could have a little breakfast nook out here. Is it
Yeah.
quite the view that the boardwalk was? No, but it's probably at least equivalent to the view at Old West.
Oh yeah. I like it. And we can still go out into the hallway and see the animals, and then the lobby. Oh my gosh, we gotta go back into the lobby and go check it out. But it's beautiful. It's so lit up for Christmas right now, and I'm just excited to be here.
It's a nice room. You would have no trouble at all staying here for a week.
Yeah, and I like that there's sitting spots. So here's a table with 2 chairs, and then of course we already saw the couch. And I think that really makes the difference in a hotel room. And then they're still doing all of the enhanced cleaning for COVID. So this is just a list of all the spots in the room, and they're saying, yes, we've checked these areas. They've checked everything, but this is for sure. I really like that there's Mickey ears right there. And then there's this cute mirror. Oh, there's a switch on the mirror, shall we? Cute. And there we go. Just a simple little room. Yeah.
It's a nice place to be.
Thanks so much for checking out our short little room tour of the Studio Deluxe room, and we're staying in Jambo House right now. We found the hot tub. There are 2 hot tubs, and here's this cute little tiny one. And what's crazy is, look, here's hot tub, here's Mike, and there's a giraffe right there.
The flamingos are a stone's throw right over there.
Wow, this is so nice. We are not doing the hot tub right now or the pool right now. We're just kind of looking to take a look at everything.
Just taking a tour.
You can hear the flamingos. Oh my god, that's so cool. Hot tub number 2. Just a little bit bigger, but still pretty small. Good morning from Animal Kingdom Lodge. We just packed up, we're about to head out, and I very much like this room, but there's nothing open here at Jambo House, and the room itself is very dark at night. Like, we had all the lights on, and it was very dark.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
It's a nice room, it's a good layout, it's pretty functional. Bathroom's a little small.
Yeah. The bathroom itself is really small, but there's 2 double sinks on the outside, which I personally loved.
Yeah, there's lots of room to get ready.
Yeah.
There's just not a lot of room to
Move around in
bathe
the bathroom.
and use the toilet and do all those necessities.
Yeah.
But yeah, the resort itself is not currently
Functioning right
that
now?
great. Like, the rooms are open, the lobby's open, the pool is open, but everything else is closed. The gift shop,
restaurants.
the restaurants.
The pool bar's closed
The
Monday
pool
through
bar,
Friday, Monday
like,
through Thursday.
You cannot actually get food at Jambo House
No.
currently. This is subject to change in the near future, as I understand.
Right. Today's November 23rd.
And Kidani Village, which is an 8-minute walk, so it's right next door, is still open and functioning. But it's kind of like staying at Pop Century and being told that the gift shop and the food places and the pool bar are all closed and you have to hike over to Art of Animation to get food.
Not impossible, just not convenient.
Just not convenient, not nice.
Yeah.
Like if you want to fill up your soda when you get back from the parks, you've got to go to Kidani. And that's a little bit of a hike.
It's a little bit
for
far.
a soda.
Yeah.
I don't know. Call me crazy.
Yeah.
But I'm sure in the near future when everything reopens fully, it'll be a lot nicer.
I hope so. I think so too. The resort itself is beautiful. I'm gonna switch hands here. The resort itself is beautiful. It's just, yeah, everything's closed and it's still this kind of like halfway limbo. The resort itself seems pretty dead. There's not, like, we didn't hear people. It's not like a lot of people in the hallways. And we never found Must Do Disney with Stacy.
Ooh.
Yeah, Mike had this
The Must
really...
Do Disney Channel was all just like ads.
It was completely different. We're about to go out of the room. We're gonna, I think, just go wander the resort, look at animals, hit up a pool maybe, look at the Christmas tree for sure.
Yeah.
Probably take like 600 pictures by the tree. I don't know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I had a great time here and I really can't wait to come back when it's actually filled with life.
Yeah, this is definitely a great resort to stay at when she's running full steam.
Yeah. And I think if I had the money and the budget, I would 100% splurge on the Savannah view. And I think that alone would probably just be amazing. You could probably just come and like watch animals for hours.
But not a necessity, because there's lots of viewing areas that you can watch
for sure.
from elsewhere in the resort, but still be here.
Yeah.
And still look at a parking lot and save yourself some.
That's true. All right, let's go find some of those viewing areas.
Okay.
This is the lobby right now, and there's just a couple of people. And I imagine that normally during Thanksgiving, this whole area is just bombarded with people. And it's so, I mean, it's beautiful, but it's just so
Desolate.
kind of depressing.
Yeah.
It's just
Like there's
sad.
people staying in several of the rooms at least. Obviously, we're seeing
Yeah.
people moving and about all around.
Right, it's checkout time, so.
But Boma, Chico, and the Mara are all closed, so there's no food here.
Yeah,
So if you want breakfast, you have to go over to Kidani.
there's just nothing. We made it over to Kidani Village. It really was like a 10-minute walk, and it wasn't a bad walk. It was just hot and in the sunlight, and like, it's far just to get breakfast or soda or something. But we found this really cute little sitting area with rocking chairs, and then there's tables and chairs inside with the air conditioning and in shade if you want it. But we found little giraffe buddies. They're just sitting, chewing on some leaves. I mean, this is a pretty good view. That's pretty cool. So we were just out here, and here there's some tables with chairs and more seating. That's cute. Just a nice little lounge. And it's decorated for Christmas. We just came in from the outside and found a hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey. We were just out on the savannah and we talked to a very nice cast member who knew tons and tons about all the animals. So that was enjoyable.
Very good.
Wow. Let's go keep exploring. Okay, it's a little hard to see because the lighting is so bright over there, but their playground is open. So that's cool. We found the hot tub over in Kidani. Just a cute little one. And it looks like there's a little bit of a lake view, but I don't see any animals in there. But still, very nice. That's true. That's those wildlife gators. Zebra domes. Zebra domes. I'm so excited. And we're back in this little seating area, which is cutely decorated for Christmas. And it's inside, but then, well, it's a little hard to see on camera, but behind these bushes on this side, there's a bunch of giraffes hanging out. So, big fan. We love the zebra domes. We had them one time before during birthday week, and we loved them, and then we wanted to come back and get them, and they didn't have them. So, I'm glad we found them.
The places that normally serve them, Mara and Boma, are both closed.
Boo.
So they're hanging out at a temporary home here at the gift shop at Kidani Village.
All right, let's dig in. Ooh.
See a cross section of it right there.
Beautiful. They're like little coffee chocolate mousse cakes.
I thought they were like amaretto.
Maybe amaretto. I don't know. It's very good. Still good?
Still pretty tasty.
Good. Here's the tree at Kidani Village, and it's a lot smaller than the one over at Jambo House. I guess there's less space to hold it.
Little Mickey in that village tree.
Oh, there is a little Mickey. Cute. Cute.
Definitely like you'd find in Africa.
For sure, 100%. Yeah.
Traditional, very traditional.